Alright, today we're going to be working on the lower control arm right here. What we're going to do with this is we're going to loosen up one bolt right here on the inside where the wrench is. We're going to loosen up this ball joint right here. Alright, and then we're going to have to loosen up this bolt that's down here in order to pop this whole arm out. Now, I've already released the sway bar link, the sway end link, so that I can get the wrench within there in order to be able to crack that nut right down in there. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, I remove the bolt here. Now removing this bolt, get the camera up there to see it, that bolt there. Now I want to get this bolt off. I got to open up the little pin that's there, then I can unscrew that. Old and new. Open at that piece that was there. This is an improvement on it. It would stop banging around inside. Open it, that's the problem. See what we can do. Okay, now I just put the wheel on with two lugs, only to bring the car down to measure the distance between the center line of the rim of the hub to the end of the fender. Is 15.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is drop the car down, and I'm going to use this when I take the wheel off. I'm going to use this stand to go underneath the ball joint and angle it up till we get to 15.5 inches, and then I can tighten the last bolt.